Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris with Life After 50. If you've been watching my videos lately, you know that I've been using Let's Get Checked, a way to check your levels of whatever, vitamin, testosterone, whatever, at home, sending in the blood sample to them, checking on the website and getting your results. So you know what you have to do. If it's really bad, you go see a doctor. If it's really good, you go yay, yay, yay. And if it's in the middle, then you work on it, which is great. So that's what I'm doing. So anyway, they offered me, or offered you, $30 off with the link in the description. So go ahead and click that link. Try out Let's Get Checked, but here's a little bit more information.
Peter Foley is the founder and CEO of LetsGetChecked, a personal health testing firm that enables people to test their health from their homes.
LetsGetChecked is a convenient medical testing service, accredited laboratory and excellent nursing support. Take control and track your health with easy at-home tests.
The sign-up process. You can order a test directly from the website. These tests are anonymous and come in unmarked boxes. To register your test kit, create an account, then go to the Activate Test link on the website or app. A numeric code is sent to your phone number, which you can then enter into your account, along with 2 codes that are located on the inside of the testing box. After answering a few health-related questions, registration is complete.
All right, guys, so that's it. Let's get checked. I love doing this from home and finding out the results a day or two later. It's cheaper than going to the doctor. It's easier. It's safer. Let's be honest, going in a room full of sick people, sharing the same air, whatever. But it's a great way to know what's going on, what you need to work on, what is working because you're doing the right things. So anyway, $30 off your first Let's Get Checked order. I think they'll give me a little cut too at the same time. Like I say, I've done the vitamins. I've done the testosterone, next will be the thyroid. But I'm just trying to help you guys out because, you know, a lot of guys don't go to the doctor. I don't until there's a problem. So this is a great way to see what's going on with your levels and certain things like that. So there's all kinds of different things you can get checked at Let's Get Checked. So it's not just the ones I'm doing, but I'm starting with the most important, or at least what I feel are the most important. So anyway, get checked, get out and walk, like and subscribe, Life After 50.
50.